Hello and welcome to the Power Play. I'm Daniela Atkinson, and joining me here today is CEO of Giga Metals Corporation, Mark Jarvis. It is so nice to have you here.
Well, thank you, Daniela. It's a pleasure to be here.
So the company has entered into a binding agreement with Mitsubishi Corporation to form a new joint venture company called Hard Creek Nickel Corp. Could you give us some details on this new venture?
Well, Mitsubishi is the largest trading company in Japan, and they trade in commodities. And as part of their strategy to be a trading company, they own minority interests in mines around the world. I mean, they've got joint venture partners such as BHP, Rio Tinto, Teck Corp, Anglo, Glencore, just on and on. So they really know the mining business well, and they really know how to evaluate a project. So it's an honor to get them as a partner. The deal itself, they're putting in $8 million for 15% of the joint venture, and we're putting in the project for 85%. And then we just go forward. We're working already on our pre-feasibility study.
All right, and what are your next steps coming up with this new project?
Well, I'm glad you asked that. The next steps for us are we're planning to sell another small piece of the project to either a car manufacturer or a battery manufacturer, because they're the ones that realize that they're going to need a long-term supply of nickel. And they also need lithium, they need all sorts of things. And the whole model of supply chains is changing. It used to be they wanted just-in-time supply chains sourced around the world. The war in Europe has changed that thinking. People are getting nervous about China. What happens to my supply chain if China invades Taiwan? And so the major manufacturers are starting to realize we need more control of our supply chains. We need our supply chains closer to home. So we're talking to that audience. Stay tuned.
That sounds great. Well, thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, I'm Daniela Atkinson for the Power Play.